Hi, today I will show you how to stream on Kick with iPhone, step by step. So, step 1 is understanding the limitation. The Kick app on iPhone does not currently support native mobile streaming directly. You cannot go live from the iOS app like some other platforms. But you can use a mobile streaming app. So you can download streaming apps like Streamlabs or Prism Live Studio from the App Store on your iPhone because these apps allow you to stream to custom RTMP platforms like Kick. So you can simply install Kick, open Kick in your browser or the app and log in. Then navigate to create a dashboard, navigate to settings and navigate to stream URL and stream key. Copy both the stream URL and stream key. Open your streaming app on iPhone, select custom RTMP as the streaming destination and paste your Kick streaming URL and stream key. Now, you can set up your stream, choose your stream title, category, camera and screen source, and the microphone settings. Then you can adjust resolution and bitrate based on your internet speed. Tap Go Live inside the streaming app and your stream will now broadcast directly to your Kick channel from your iPhone. Final tip, you can use a stable Wi-Fi connection and lower resolution like 720p to avoid lag or stream drops when streaming from an iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and thanks for watching.